feeling, birthday boy? How many do you want, mate? If you guys have not tried this, you must. We need shots. Hey guys, and happy Tuesday. Welcome to a new weekly vlog. I'm just sipping my cup of coffee right now. It's like 3 p.m. and this is the first time I'm actually talking to the camera. Yesterday I didn't really vlog anything at all. There wasn't really anything to vlog. And then this morning I've got up. I went for a big walk this morning, which was amazing because yesterday it poured rain all day. But yeah, so I went for like a big walk this morning. I went to the grocery store. I picked up a couple of things. I had my lunch. I did the dishes. And I've just been doing client calls pretty much all day so far. So yeah, having my coffee. After my calls, I'm going to do a lower body workout. I think my arm's still a little bit tender from the jab on Saturday. Not really that much, but just like overhead stuff I don't really want to be doing. So I'm just going to do lower body today and then upper tomorrow. So yeah, that is the update. Happy Wednesday, guys. So I'm just about to do a upper body workout at the moment, and I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. It's pretty similar to the ones I've been filming recently, so I'm sorry if they get kind of repetitive, but I only have dumbbells, so I'm just kind of doing the basics with what I've got. So I've just got a little Happy Way pre-workout now in the flavor dragon fruit. Yeah, dragon fruit flavor. So good. So I'm just gonna scull this, quickly do an upper body workout and get back to work. I love how this wine glass has just been sitting there, like, I'll put it there, and then you like move it here, and then I'll move it around. I don't know if it's been cleaned or not. Alright, it's dinner time. We're just gonna put on some rice and some chicken. Do you know what you feel like, Andy? Are we having butter chicken, teriyaki chicken, Thai green curry?
I think butter.
Yeah, I feel like butter chicken.
I forget what they taste like. That and Thai green curry, I forget.
We had Thai green curry like last week, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I feel like butter chicken would be better.
Cool.
So we'll do that. I've shown you guys the packets I used before. So these are the 2 ingredients we use for the butter chicken. Light coconut milk from Aldi and the all natural butter chicken from the brand Heart and Salt. They have so many delicious pouches. Highly recommend. And we're just gonna chuck some veggies on with it as well and call it a day. Does anyone else snack while they're cooking dinner? We're literally in the middle of cooking a dinner that's going to take maybe 20 minutes and we're standing here eating corn chips. I can't be alone in this. Surely other people do this.
Mm-hmm.
How many do you want, mate? I can't believe it's 3 o'clock and this is the first time I am talking to the vlog today, but I've just kind of been working this morning and I decided I'm going to make a smoothie. It's like 18 or 20 degrees in Melbourne right now and it's a beautiful day, which considering I've had rain for like a week now, it is amazing. So I'm really craving a smoothie. I have this many berries. That's gonna get me far. Any of you guys the same? Like as soon as it's a nice day, all you want is like a smoothie or a salad. You just kind of feel like something fresh. So, ooh, I have some berries. Yes. I think I'm just gonna do like a raspberry banana protein smoothie because I bought a bunch of bananas when we did our shop on Sunday. It's Thursday and I have yet to even eat one of them, so I might do that. Yeah, literally I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but I just haven't really updated the vlog today. Also, my DOMs in my legs from my workout on, I think it was Tuesday, I'm still in so much pain. I can barely even walk. Like my legs feel like bricks. So I'll be skipping my leg workout today because I do not think I can even do one squat. Alright, so I'm just in the middle of wrapping Andy's birthday present for tomorrow. Literally, it's like 5 p.m. Thursday. I'm only now just getting around to wrapping it, but that's how organized I am. So I ended up getting him some Apple AirPods. I really hope he cannot hear me because we are both working from home right now. We're not usually ones to buy each other like very big gifts for our birthdays just because we're not overly materialistic, but I'm not kidding when I tell you he's bought like 5 AirPods from Kmart, all like, you know, $40 to $50 each, and none of them work anymore. So I was like, you know what, I just need to invest for him because I know he's not going to buy this himself. So hopefully he likes them. If not, I'll take them. And the other thing I got, because I feel like you always need to give chocolate, so I also got the jelly chip chocolate. If you guys have not tried this, you must. It's a New Zealand chocolate and it's by far our favorite. And they brought it to Australia maybe like 6 months to a year ago and we're obsessed. So I know he's gonna absolutely love this, plus these. So I'm just gonna get to wrapping now. Honestly, I was so unorganized. This is the only wrapping paper I have and it says Merry Christmas. And it's like a girly pattern. And I don't even have sticky tape, I have like red masking tape. So note to self, be more organized next time, Brittany. Side note, I just got a really exciting text message that my secret project is now ready to go pick up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I wish I could show you guys. Like, feeling, birthday boy?
Good.
Why are you so awkward? If you guys can't tell, you probably can because he's barely in the vlogs. Andy does not like, he doesn't love being on camera, he doesn't love getting photos taken, even though all morning I'm like, let's take photos, and you're a trooper. But we're on a little drive now, obviously within our 10Ks, because we're going to go out for lunch for his birthday. Again, Andy doesn't care about his birthday either. I care more about his birthday than he does, and I want to go out for food for myself. So that's where we're at. I have not filmed all day. I think we got home from lunch around like 2 o'clock. I ended up just doing some work on my laptop for a few hours, and then we took a sneaky nap at like, what time would you say it was? Like 5?
5, it was 5.
Yeah, 5 until 6 o'clock. So we'll see if we'll sleep tonight. But we just went to Woolies to pick up a few things for dinner and also just snacks over the weekend. It's the AFL Grand Final, like the footy Grand Final tomorrow, so we had to pick up just like AFL things. Andy and I, this is like one of the things we have in common, is just childhood foods. I don't know if any other couple talks about that, but I feel like all we do is talk about like, oh, we had this growing up at the pool, we had this growing up when we were playing cricket and netball, and I don't know why, we bond over food. So we bought a few things that are just like fun things to have over the weekend. So again, not the healthiest things, but I'm all about balance over here. So we got some hot dog rolls. They didn't have the normal ones, so we just got these big guys. Tonight for dinner we've got chicken schnitzels and some veg. We got 2 bags of lollies because again, growing up playing footy, cricket, netball, we both lived off lollies, specifically killer pythons. We've got some hot dogs for the hot dog buns. Again, something we grew up with every single weekend when we were kids. Curly Whirlies, another favorite. And then the last few things we got are just for drinks. So we're thinking of doing either some cocktails tonight or maybe tomorrow. We can't quite decide just yet, but we got some sugar-free Red Bulls. I don't think we need that after the nap. And then I've just got sugar-free raspberry for cocktails. I'm gonna put this with blue Curacao and make like a fruit tingle cocktail. And I also have diet ginger beer, which I'm gonna make Moscow mules with. So yeah, we're just gonna pop dinner on now and then decide if we're gonna have a cocktail night or nah. Yeah, eyeball it.
Yeah, eyeball it in that.
Huh? That's like
yeah, that's good, yeah. Mmm.
That's so good.
That is so good. Drink if your favourite pizza is meat lovers.
Are you trying to get me to rock? Vote the player who thinks he or she is the barefoot investor.
Drink if you learnt about drugs and alcohol from a giraffe named Harold in the back of a dark van. Did that come to your school?
I don't think so.
Even just maybe the dentist van.
Yeah, the dentist van for sure.
That was the worst.
Big white van. Yeah.
Or there's a library van as well.
Yes, there was. Drink if you've ever complained about the housing market.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
We need shots. Where's your head at? Where's your head at? Aww.